And go.
Good boy. Alright, we're going to shoot a quick obedience video with Tucker. As you can tell, it's raining outside, so I've got a rain jacket on. I know I have my hood up, but that's something that dogs need to be comfortable with doing obedience, regardless of whether or not you've got a different hat on, hood, or if you're walking with the umbrella. So we're just going to do an example of Tucker here. Again, it's good to have them working in different environments, including out in the rain. Although I don't do quite as much training out in the rain, we always do a little bit with some distraction, different environment going on. So, you ready, Tucker? Whoosh. Good boy. Good boy. Whoosh. Sits. Here. Table. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Here. Here. Whoosh. Sits. Nice. Good boy, Tucker. That's good boy. Sits. Good luck. Floats. Yes, good boy. Good boy, Tucker. Out. Sit. Whoosh. So as a sits quick video with Tucker there. Again, just showing just some basic obedience with him. Of course, a little more advanced. We had a cat walking around. Again, it's raining out. 9. Whoosh. So he's ready to play. We're going to have some fun playing in the rain with him. But that's just a short video to show you a little bit about what Tucker's all about. Good boy.